Superstar Varun Dhawan shares about his love for Goa. Varun Dhawan was in Goa for the 49th International Film Festival held in the year 2018. Here's what he had to say.
गोवा कैसे लगा? गोवा में आपने शूट भी किया है, बहुत स्पेशल है, बहुत प्यार मिला यहाँ पे। गोवा एफसी के लिए भी तो बहुत बार आया हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, शूटिंग भी बहुत की है यहाँ पे। गोवा
He was also seen amongst his fans giving autographs.
I wanted to own a channel. Initially I wanted to own a channel as a kid and I wanted to have my own talk show. जहाँ मैं stand-up comedy करता हूँ, मैं entertainment करता हूँ. I was obsessed by Jim Carrey, Robin Williams, Eddie Murphy, गोविंदा, महमूद साहब. मुझे ये लोग, जितने भी लोग जो improv करते थे या on the spot comedy कर सकते थे, I was obsessed with them as a kid. I would think यार इनमें बहुत talent है, इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा talent है. और ये लोग जो मैं स्क्रीन पे देखता था, मुझे वो आम जिंदगी में भी दिखते थे. हर ग्रुप में अगर there are 8 people in every group, एक लड़का या एक लड़की ऐसी होगी जो मतलब ग्रुप का जान होता है, who improv करता है, कॉमेडी करती है, वो मजाक करते हैं. ऑलवेज एक ग्रुप में हमेशा that one joker is there, that one comedian is there. I always wanted to be that person. It's a true story. I went and gave मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया था सिटी बैंक में. सच्ची में
हमने कहा ये करेगा क्या यार, इसको पढ़ा तो दिया हमने, पता नहीं क्या करेगा. तो इसकी मम्मी बोलती है कि आई टॉक ऑल्सो, यू नो सो मेनी पीपल, इसको कुछ नौकरी करनी तो नौकरी करा देंगे, कुछ नहीं है. पर ऑल ऑफ अ सडन देन ही स्टार्टेड असिस्टिंग. तो ये करण जौहर को इसने असिस्ट किया, वो भी मुझे नहीं मालूम. ही वेंट अपने आप ही क्या किया, कुछ अभी तक नहीं समझ आ रहा मुझे. तो आप समझे ना. तो ये वहाँ से आया बात. और एक दिन मुझे जहाँ तक मालूम है कि करण घर आया.
नहीं, उसके पहले आई एक्चुअली ऑडिशन फॉर धोबी घाट व्हिच ही गॉट वेरी
he went to audition for धोबी घाट. वो किरण की पिक्चर थी जो. तो he asked me, I said, you're mad, what are you going to do, धोबी घाट or what? I told him, I told his mother is not mad, he wants to work films too properly है. इस टाइप की फिल्म से शुरू नहीं हो सकता हिसाब किताब. So I told him that.
Because initially my leaning was always towards the left side. I had loved Black Friday. I had loved all of Sriram's films. Though Sriram is giving too many hits now, so we don't know whether he's left or right. Where is he? But I was always into more. I was leaning over there. You know, I would have probably given my right hand at that time to get launched by Anurag Kashyap, maybe. Honestly, so no, I was very excited to work over there. But obviously no one was taking me seriously at that time, and I auditioned for Dhobi Ghat. I didn't get the part obviously, and then I think Amir sir or Kiran came and told you at a party.
She told mommy. But then Karan came one day and he says ke I'm taking him for my film and he's playing the hero, one of the heroes. So I said, oh, इससे अच्छा क्या break हो सकता है. And he never told me कि dad come on you make a film for me. Nothing, never. और वो पिक्चर फिर वो आया और फिर बोला मुझे करण आफ्टर सम टाइम कि मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा बस बढ़िया है यार, अब तेरे को क्या चाहिए भाई, कंधे पे पैर रख और कूद जा. मैंने बोला इज द राइट वे, फिल्म मेकिंग यही होती है.
Currently in the month of December 2020, the actor has tested positive for COVID-19 and the shooting of his upcoming film Jug Jug Jio has been halted. According to the sources, Varun Dhawan, Neetu Kapoor and director Raj Mehta tested positive for COVID-19. While the coronavirus pandemic is still very much a reality, life must go on. The economy of the country has opened up with certain restrictions, with people going back to work. This also meant that several Bollywood projects went on floors, including Raj Mehta's Jug Jug Jio, featuring Anil Kapoor, Neetu Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, Kiara Advani and Prajakta Kohli. While work on the set is being carried out with all the safety guidelines, one can never be too safe. A source close to the project has revealed to us that 3 members from the film's leading cast, Neetu Kapoor and Varun Dhawan, and even the director Raj Mehta have tested positive for COVID-19. While initial reports claim that Anil Kapoor too had tested positive for the virus, we have just learned that the actor has tested negative. Obviously, the shooting has been put on hold until the actors are back to their healthy self. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.